What's up everyone, this is Sangorma and today we are going to do the Simba's View hike. Let's go! Here are the Crawford Fourways kids. Are you guys excited for this hike? Yeah! That's the spirit. Tiamo. How are you feeling about this hike? Yeah? Are you confident? And what about you boys?
I'm excited. It's going to be a good hike.
Yes. BK, you going to conquer it? Okay. It's going to be great. Here they all are. Are we going to conquer Simba's View? Yeah. Woohoo! Here's some other hikers, our Crawford Fourways hikers. How's it going so far, girls? Are you going to conquer Simba's View? Yeah! I like that spirit. Okay, everyone, we are at the bottom of the hill. Are you ready for the final part? Yeah. No?
Oh, no. Yes! Yeah!
10 minutes up. Nearly at the top, guys.
Talent, you could do this.
How does it feel you're about to conquer Simba's View? Well done, you made it! All the boys, sum up your feelings of the victory.
Tranquility and more pure optimism and happiness for the world.
Victory for the whole team! Well done! How do you feel now you've conquered Simba's View?
Tired. Very tired. I feel tired but good at the same time.
But was it worth it?
Yes.
Yeah, good stuff. Girls, how do you feel you've conquered Simba's View?
Yes!
Are you feeling a sense of victory? Yeah, well done. Sum up your feelings of the hike.
It was nice for a few minutes. Then I started crying with pain internally. But hey, the view is worth it.
I like it.
It's good until we got close to the end. That's when it was better. I didn't injure from the water slide because I did something stupid. So don't do whatever I did.
Yeah.
Don't listen to him. Just carry on walking. Be safe. And don't do anything stupid on the water slide if you're not prepared.
Thank you. That was deep. Mordecai, what's your feelings about this hike?
Personally, I was doing the hike. The hike is amazing, but my legs are tight. But I mean, look at the view. All that is worth it.
It is. The view of Simba. 1, 2, 3! Woohoo! Wow, how lucky are you, Crawford Fourways? Seeing a giraffe is rare enough, but that close is unprecedented. Ah, special day.